Dumpster rental service in Pueblo, Colorado. Planning a home improvement project? Red Rock Disposal has the dumpster you need to handle the mess. Whether you're tackling renovations, clearing out a garage, or managing a construction site, we're here to make cleanup easy and hassle-free. Red Rock Disposal is proud to be your trusted dumpster rental service in Pueblo, Colorado. Our locally owned and operated company understands the unique needs of our community. That's why we offer prompt service, reliable delivery, and budget-friendly solutions tailored to your project. With Red Rock Disposal, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're getting peace of mind. Our experienced team ensures the process is seamless from start to finish. We'll help you choose the perfect option for your project and ensure timely pickup when you're done. Contractors and business owners rely on Red Rock Disposal for waste management. Our dumpsters are ideal for handling heavy debris and keeping your worksite clean and productive. Call Red Rock Disposal at 719-396-2723 today and let us take the stress out of waste removal. Red Rock Disposal, your partner in keeping Pueblo clean and green.